Well, from the photo you can see we were very fortunate to meet up with this missionary photo of a self-illuminating creature, and he then put us in the right direction to start our quest.
The photograph of what appeared to be an African ghost. The crew determined that this could be the legendary glowing bird and had to find out for sure. How was the owl giving out that light? And how long has the owl been a part of the tribe? The director and the cameraman were the only two granted permission to join the tribe's day.